I'm going to share with you a very powerful yoga technique called Kapalbhati. It is a cleansing breath technique. It's a very easy way to get rid of toxins out of your body, boost your energy levels, reduce your stress hormones. It has a lot of anti-aging benefits because of the increased oxygenation and circulation throughout your body. So all you have to do is sit comfortably, arms to the side, and we are going to be producing fast exhalations with your abdomen. So when you're exhaling, try to bring your belly button to your spine. All right, so we start with a normal breath. Try to do about 20 to 30 breaths before you take a break and practice this 5 to 10 minutes daily on empty stomach.